Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the reasons to buy the Redmi Y2. Now the first reason to buy this phone would be the cameras. Now there are a lot of things this phone offers, so I'm just gonna run it through. But to know more, check out my camera review and best features. Now coming to the cameras themselves, on the rear it is a dual camera setup with a 12 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary camera for depth sensing that's used for portrait mode. And on the front, it is a 16 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. Now these are just camera specifications. Now let's see what this phone actually offers. This phone offers portrait mode for both the front and rear cameras. That's an advantage. Next, this phone has electronic image stabilization while recording video, unlike any other phone in this price segment. Here's the sample footage. This phone has auto HDR for both the front and rear cameras. Now for a Redmi phone under 10,000 rupees, this is really a huge thing. Not even Redmi Note 5 Pro that is priced at 15,000 rupees comes with auto HDR for the rear camera. It will get it with the MIUI 9.5 update, but this phone got it right out of the box. So in terms of cameras, it is definitely offering a lot of features unlike any other phone in this price segment, and especially unlike previous Redmi phones launched in this price segment. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the performance. This phone sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. It's a pretty old processor, but still a pretty good one, and we can see the same processor on the Redmi Note 5, which starts at 10,000 rupees. So even in terms of performance, this phone is pretty good. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the dedicated SD card slot. Unlike the Redmi 5 or the Redmi Note 5, which are in the same price segment, this phone comes with a dedicated SD card slot. So even if you get the 3GB RAM variant, you can pop in an SD card and don't have to worry about lack of storage. So that's definitely a huge advantage when it comes to Redmi Y2. I think these are the three primary reasons to buy this phone. Besides that, it has other good things, like it is running MIUI 9.5 right out of the box based on Android Oreo 8.1. So we can use picture-in-picture mode right out of the box. Once again, a feature missing on Note 5 and the Note 5 Pro. We can also use the full display gestures like the iPhone 10. It has a lot of cool software features unlike other phones in this price segment. So on the whole, this phone is really offering a lot of interesting and useful features at a very reasonable price of 10,000 rupees. Now there are other phones in the same price segment which may offer a few features, but this is the only phone which offers all those features at once. Now with all that said, it's not the perfect phone. It too has some issues and problems. So to know more about them, check out my video on the problems and issues on Redmi Y2. Link will be in the description. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your reason to buy this phone or not buy this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video on this phone or any other phone out there, tweet out to us with the hashtag ASKGREEDYTECH on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.